So the next topic that we are going to discuss today is the Taylor series. Now sir, what do you mean by Taylor series? How it is different from other things? So now two important topics we need to discuss. One is the Taylor series and the second one is the Maclaurin series, which is again a specific case of Taylor series. A specific case of Taylor series. Now Taylor series is basically if the value of the function, if we need to calculate the value of the function at a, so we are actually expanding the function around a, expanding around a. So now what happens, suppose I need to calculate the value of sine 63 degree, sine 63 degree. Now how will you calculate? You don't have calculator, so how will you calculate it? So basically you will expand this function around 63, expand this function around 63 using Taylor series, and then you will get the value of 60 sine 60 is what. So let us take to the formal journey. If f of x and its n minus derivatives are continuous in a and a plus h, that is a small value beyond a, and f to the power n, like you can say the nth derivative of f of x exists for every value of x in the range a to a plus h, then there is at least one number theta such that, very important, f of a plus h you need to calculate. Okay, you have the value of f of a, so we have the, so if you need to calculate sine 63, so then this can be written as sine 60 plus 3. So now you have the value of sine 60. So you calculate the value of f of a, that is sine 60, h, that is the difference you are having, into f dash of a, then h square by 2 factorial f double dash a, and the last term will be h to the power n divided by nth factorial, and nth derivatives of f of a plus theta h is equal to 1 into 1 is clear. This is what you mean by as Taylor's theorem, and the remainder, this is nothing but a remainder, this is remainder, so this is known as Lagrange's remainder, and it is very important question from exam. If they can directly ask for 2 marks, that what is the remainder in the Taylor's expansion for this function, what is the remainder in the Taylor's expansion for this function, and that is why it is very important for you to understand that what is the value of remainder. So if you try to calculate the value of remainder, it is h to the power n divided by n factorial nth derivative of function at a plus theta h. Sir, everything is fine, we got that you are trying to calculate a value from a known value, that's it. So if I know the value of sine 60, we'll try to calculate the value of sine 60.5, 60.6, 61, 60. We cannot have sine 70 degree from this, because the h should be, h is almost 0, it is very small. So till 1 degree to like 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree we consider, so h is quite small. Okay, so what is the purpose of Taylor series? Taylor series is just finding the values from the known values. Is it clear? So physical significance of Taylor series is calculating the values using derivatives. Okay sir, I got an idea, I got the feeling, but I'm not that clear. So let us solve a question for more clarity. This is Taylor's theorem. Okay, I'll give you an idea. If f of x is equal to log 1 plus x, using Maclaurin की जगह Taylor कर लीजिए. अभी आप देखो, the question is of Maclaurin only, but it doesn't matter. Taylor and Maclaurin are both same. Taylor is having like a generic case, and when you put x is equal to 0, that you don't have to worry, that we will discuss in the Maclaurin theorem. Just have to focus that there is a theta between 0 to 1, and log of 1 plus x is x minus x square plus x cube divided by 3, 1 plus theta x to the power 3. You need to deduce that 1 plus x is smaller than x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 for all the value of x is equal to 0. First you need to calculate the value of the function. The value of the function will be somewhere around. Now you are actually see, I told you now, when a is equal to 0, the Taylor equation goes to Maclaurin equation theorem, that's it. So we are putting a is equal to 0 only, because we need to calculate that only. So f of x is f of 0, x into f dash 0, x square by 2 factorial into f double dash 0, x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash theta x. Okay, So somewhere around you solve this question and you got f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x. So f of x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 0, f dash x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x. So f dash of 0 is 1, f double dash of x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, which is f double dash of 0 is 1, f triple dash of x is 2 by 1 plus x the whole cube, and f multiple derivative, it is f triple dash of theta x is equal to 2 upon 1 plus theta x whole cube. You substitute the value here. As soon as you substitute the value here, f dash in the Taylor series, you will fill the value in Taylor series. You will get the equation in this form. You will get the equation in this form. In Taylor series, when you will put, you will get the equation in this term. Now, you understand this thing that 1 plus theta x the whole cube is greater than 1. That is 1 upon theta x the whole cube is less than 1. Okay. And when you try to solve, you know that this value will be greater than 0 and this value is less than 1. So you shift all the values to the right and you get the answer. I don't think that this is a, see, if you are trying to understand Taylor series for the first time, I won't recommend that you will be able to solve. When you solve 4, 5, 7, 10 questions from Taylor series, then it becomes very important, very, very important. Then it becomes very, very important. Is it clear to all of you? I don't think that this is a problem or this is something important, like not understood, like something which goes beyond your head. Why we are using Taylor series? To get a value, to compute a value from the known values of the related standard results. Okay, and how you do that? Any value can be expressed in term of f of a plus h, and there is a whole expansion. That whole expansion you need to remember. Now in our case also, and there is a formula for remainder as well, so you need to calculate the remainder as well. But when you put all the values in equation, you will get to know that how it is moving and how the things are going on in here and there. Is it clear? So that is why a simple inequality question is there. I would recommend please mark star and solve at least 10 inequality question to get a better idea or to get a better result. Okay. So there is a new batch that is launched on 24th of November for GATE 2024, and there is another batch called as Bunyad that is launched, that will be launched on December 21 for GATE and PSU, but for 2025. Now these two batches are absolutely one of the best batches out there in the country for GATE CSE preparation. Okay, but why you should join these batches? Obviously legendary educators are teaching in this. Apart from that, you will also get access to 8500 plus pages per branch, and along with that you will also get 5600 plus unique questions that will help you to be exam ready. You will be getting the daily doubt solving classes, daily practice problems. I don't think this will be a big like issue to you. Apart from that, if you want to buy plus an iconic subscription, first of all you can use the code Prakhar10 to get a flat 10% discount. And apart from that, the prices for 12 month of subscription for plus is 28,859 rupees. 28,859 rupees after you apply the code Prakhar10. Otherwise it is 32,000 after price drop. So ultimately you will be saving approximately 12,000 rupees, that is 30% of the original amount. Similarly, if you try to go for iconic subscription, you will be saving approximately 26%. So go now on Unacademy platform, use the code Prakhar10 and get yourself a 10% discount. And don't like, these are the recorded lecture prices that I have already discussed. And if you are not enrolled for All India mock test, then go get yourself enrolled, because you can get 100% scholarship in this. So someone who is securing rank between 1 to 10 will be getting 100% scholarship. Rank 11 to 60 will be 75%, rank 61 to 200 will be 50%, and if you are under 500 you will be getting a discount. And it will also help you to realize that how a GATE paper looks like, what you feel while giving the paper. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself exam ready and get yourself some of the discount offer that are going on. So when you are having these tests will be there on 4th of December, 18th of December, 8th of January, 15th of January, 22nd January and 29th January. And you can register absolutely free using the code Prakhar10. Okay, so I don't think you will be having any doubt. Thank you.